Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the second chapter of your science book, that is Microorganism Part 3. In this chapter we will discuss about the most important concept of this chapter, that is nitrogen cycle. In the atmosphere, nitrogen percentage is 78%. These huge quantities of nitrogen in the atmosphere is not utilized by the plants or animals. But thing is that when this nitrogen, that atmospheric nitrogen, or it is called as elemental nitrogen, or it is also called as molecular nitrogen. Why it is so called? It is called elemental nitrogen because only nitrogen is present here. It is not mixed with other elements. Nitrogen in atmosphere is in the form of element. It is called molecular nitrogen because N2 form. It is present in N2 form. Nitrogen, triple bond nitrogen. That is N2 in molecular form. That's why in some books it is written as molecular nitrogen. This molecular nitrogen is converted into ammonia or ammonium by the help of some bacteria that is known as rhizobium, which are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. This conversion of this free nitrogen or elemental nitrogen or molecular nitrogen into ammonia or ammonium is known as nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen fixation is done by some bacteria which are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants, and that bacteria is known as rhizobium. What happens in the next step? The ammonia or the ammonium is converted into nitrate or nitrite by the help of some kinds of bacteria that is known as the nitrifying bacteria, and the names of the nitrifying bacteria are Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. This process of conversion of ammonia or ammonium into nitrite or nitrate is known as nitrification. This process is known as nitrification. What happens in detail? Actually, ammonia converted to nitrite by the help of the nitrifying bacteria, that is Nitrosomonas, and further this nitrite is converted into nitrate by the help of nitrifying bacteria Nitrobacter. In this way, the nitrite and nitrate also assimilated by plant. When the free or the molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrite or nitrate form, it is easily absorbed by the plant, and plant prepared protein. And this protein is utilized by the animal also, and in animal body this protein is stored. When a plant or animal, either plant or animal, dead bodies fall on the ground, or the plant or animal's waste fall on the ground, what happens? Ammonification takes place. There are some bacteria which ammonify. Due to ammonification, this converted into ammonia or ammonium, and the cycle continues like this. But there are some bacteria which are known as denitrifying bacteria. These are specially anaerobic bacteria. They convert the nitrate or nitrite into free or molecular nitrogen and leave it to the atmosphere. Why they do so? Because they are anaerobic bacteria. They need oxygen for their respiration. They break down the nitrate or nitrite and they receive the oxygen part of this and they respire, and the nitrogen part they released into the atmosphere. This process is known as denitrification. There is another way in which nitrogen fixation also takes place. You have seen heavy rain, lightning and thunder. In this case, the heavy current of lightning convert the molecular nitrogen directly into the nitrate or nitrate form. there is no involvement of any bacteria. And this nitrate and nitrate is also absorbed by the root of the plant, and then it is also utilized by the animals and goes to the animal's body, and the animals and the plant, when produce any waste and the waste fall on the ground, or the dead bodies of plants and animals when fall on the ground, ammonification takes place, and this is converted into ammonia and ammonium. In the same case also, the quantities of nitrogen converted into nitrate or nitrate by lightning, all are not absorbed by plant. Some nitrate or nitrate also denitrifies by the action of some denitrifying bacteria and goes to the atmosphere. Actually, NH4 plus, that is ammonium, is also absorbed by some plants, and nitrate is absorbed by some plants also. This form is converted to this form. When the nitrogen is in the form of NH4 plus or ammonium, this is also absorbed by some plants. These plants, NH4 is taken up by plants grown under submerged condition, and NO3 minus is taken up by upland plants. It is not that the NH3 and NH4 is not absorbed by the plant. NH4 is also absorbed by the plants. These plants are known as submerged plants, and the NO3, that is nitrate, is absorbed by the plant, those who are upland plants. Sometimes question comes how the nitrogen percentage in the atmosphere remains constant. You can also do this cycle, and by the process of denitrification, some nitrogen goes to the atmosphere, and the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. And if sometimes question asks about the nitrogen cycle, what is nitrogen cycle, and describe it by the form of schematic diagram. You can do the diagram like this, and write down all the steps involved in it. This is the clear picture of nitrogen cycle. In certain books, some steps are not mentioned. If you write down all the steps, this is the complete diagram of nitrogen cycle. Thank you.